The 2016 Nissan Altima key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This lithium coin cell provides the power needed for the fob's wireless functions. First, locate the small notch on the side of your key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool to open the case. Use a flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool to gently pry the case open. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips during this process. Once open, note the battery's polarity with the positive side up before removing the old CR2032 coin cell battery. Use the screwdriver to gently dislodge it if necessary. Remember proper ESD protection during handling to prevent circuit damage. Verify the removed battery voltage should be 2.8 to 3 volts before disposal. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob, ensuring the plus side is facing up. Align the two halves of the key fob case and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Check that the case is securely closed with no gaps. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your car. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and case closure. In rare cases, manually sync by turning the ignition to on 10 times without starting, then pressing a fob button. This process takes under 5 minutes.